Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super fun and exciting video. I know you guys can already tell by the title, but let's just pretend that you don't know. So we are gonna unbox the Canon G7X Mark II. I am so freaking excited, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and start unboxing this bad boy. Okay guys, so I received this package yesterday in the mail and I was just so beyond excited, and I have been wanting this camera for so long, and I finally saved up enough to get it. So I did order this camera off of Amazon, and I basically just got the camera. There wasn't like really a bundle option, so I did end up just getting the camera itself. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what is inside. So of course, first thing you have warranty papers, nothing special, nobody really cares about those. Next inside you have the charger. This is what the charger looks like. It's just an outlet charger, no cords or anything, which I like. Then of course, next you have the battery. This camera takes the NB13L battery, and it is so tiny, you guys. Like, I really love it. It's so cute. Next up, you have the lens strap. This isn't, or actually it's not a strap, it's like the little wrist straps. It doesn't go over your neck or anything. So this is what it looks like, just a little wrist strap. And of course, last but not least, you have the actual, oh my god. Of course, last but not least, you have the actual camera, which comes wrapped up nicely in this like kind of foamy little wrapping. Here is the camera. Oh my goodness, she looks so pretty. So like I said, this is the G7X Mark II, and oh my gosh, you guys, she is just freaking beautiful. So of course, here's the screen right here, has that beautiful little flip up screen so you can vlog or take selfies, yada yada yada. I'm so excited, like, you guys don't even know. This is so cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the battery in, an SD card, and turn it on real quick. So the SD card I'm gonna use is the SanDisk Ultra 40 megabits per second, 32 gigabyte card. Just looks like this. It is a 10 speed, perfect for, you know, full HD video and everything. Just gonna pop that in. The moment of truth. Ooh. So that pretty much turns on like right away. Love that, super quick and responsive. So here is the screen right now. What's really cool is that you can actually touch the screen to focus, and it does make a little noise when it focuses, so that's super cute. And this does have Wi-Fi and everything, so you can connect your camera to your phone and get the images and video instantly, so that's awesome. Also, I just quickly wanted to mention that I did get some glass screen protectors. This is a pack of 3. I did get these on Amazon for about $8 or so, and I just think that's a really good kind of precaution to take. And then I did get a spare battery, which is just the Wasabi battery. It was only about $20, so yeah, I just got those to go with the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like a little video test for you guys. So the quality of this video is gonna change, the sound and everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and switch over to the G7X right now. Okay guys, so we have now switched over to the G7X. That is what I'm filming on right now. Just kind of testing out the sound quality and everything. And just to let you know, this is zoomed out all the way, though I do have it very close to me right now. It's probably about a foot away. So this is what it looks like all the way zoomed out, and I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom in. And now you can see all my pimples and everything. So that is fully zoomed in. You can see all my pimples and everything, which is just lovely. But anyway, so yeah, this is what the camera looks like. It's what it sounds like. I'm gonna have to get used to not looking up at the screen and looking into the lens because it's very distracting. So here is a little test video of it. Hopefully this is helpful to you guys. Now I am going to go ahead and hop back over to my regular camera, my T6i. Okay, so we're back on the T6i. I haven't looked over any of the footage yet, so hopefully it sounds good and hopefully the quality is really nice. But yeah, so that is pretty much my unboxing and kind of little test video of the Canon G7X. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and definitely get excited for more videos to come with the G7X. You best believe I'm going to be doing more videos, so get excited for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I don't want to keep it too long, just kind of short, simple, and sweet. So if you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!